Hello, everyone. A very warm welcome to all of you in Franchise Summit, where we help our prospective franchisees to know our industry leaders better and to evaluate the business opportunities after hearing from them directly. My name is Ashita Maurya, and I'm the CEO of Franchise India, and we'll help you to assess and unleash the risks and opportunities involved in the 5K car care franchise opportunity today. In Franchise India, from past 22 years, we've been providing a platform to thousands of investors to evaluate the business opportunities for themselves by coming face to face in our 100 plus shows nationwide. Going ahead in these times, we are doing the similar activities virtually and helping our investors meet the franchisors online. We have Mr. Karthik Kumar Chinnaraj, the founder of 5K Car Care Private Limited, with us today, as he will speak about the upcoming trends in the industry and, of course, what his company has to offer for the prospective franchisees. So now we'll hear from Karthik.
Hello everyone. Thank you so much for the great opportunity, Franchisee India. Thank you, ma'am. This is a wonderful opportunity given by you for present ourselves to help other upcoming new entrepreneurs for their great financial growth as well as society development. Now I'll go through with our company presentation. So 5K Car Care has been started in the year 2012 in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, and after we have worked nearly 6 years with our own experience. After that, in the year 2018, we started to give franchisee across Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Now we have 50 plus outlet in operation in Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. We have signed 178 booking in the year 2020, and we're going to open this outlet in the year 2021. We have around 12 lakh plus happy customers and 700 plus employees. These are all the current scenario about 5K car care right now. And about our 5K vision, out of three car, we should service 2 car in the city where we have presented. This is the vision for the 5K car care. So these are all the awards we have won in the 2018. We have received to the Icon of Tamil Nadu 2019 and Best Car Care Award by Times of India in 2020. And we are the ISO 9000 certified company. So already we have 50 plus entrepreneur right now. They're doing franchisee business with us, and 1000 plus employees also there. And Google rated 4.8 out of 5. And last year, that means in this current year, we have won best. We have won best. Next slide. So this year we have won best Tamil Nadu car care brand from Times of India. This is the great prestigious award we have received from them. Next. So our brand ambassador is Ganesh Venkatraman. In 2020, we have appointed him as a brand ambassador for 2021, mid till 2021. Next. So about our franchisee, overall want to start a business with us. They need minimum requirement like 800 square feet to 4000 square feet will be the land requirement, and need water and sewage facility. About our business, we are into car detailing. It is an automobile based company. So I'm going to give about a product. Before that, I'll give you the requirements. So investment range from 5 lakhs to 50 lakhs. Next. So these are all the models we operating. One is individual store. First, I'm showing in a first number one. Second will be shopping mall. We are located in the shopping malls of Tamil Nadu and Karnataka also. And also we have a petrol bunk model. That means in while doing the fuel filling, they can take our car detailing service like car wash, those kind of services. And also we have apartment model also. Before that, I'll show the services of 5K car care. Then I'll come for 21 plan. These are all the services we are offering to the clients. That means who are all taking our franchisee, they're going to give this service to the customer. Car wash, car interior enrichment, car exterior enrichment, car ozone therapy, car Teflon coating, UV treatment, antibacterial treatment, car windshield protection, salt water remover, silencer coating, engine room coating, tar remover coating, windshield wiper additive treatment, so battery terminal coating. These are all the treatment. And also we doing car odor remover, car accessories, car painting, car alterations, car carbon cleaning. So we are a company into automobile service. In that we are working into the car detailing. Car detailing will be providing a service to the car, will always look new and fresh at every time. So customer, because of this, customer car resale value will get increased. And also nowadays in current trends, in the scenario of pandemic, we providing COVID-19 discharge technology. That means who are all having fear about the car having virus, bacteria, those kind of car will be sterilized by 5K Car Care, and we providing 100% COVID-19 free car also. So that will be giving huge revenue right now with us. So these are all the service we have providing to the customer. So முன்னாடி slide போய்ங்க about முன்னாடி this is our 2021 plan. We going to 150 branch operation in 2020 and 500 booking across 4 states like Karnataka, Kerala, Andhra, as well as Tamil Nadu. So already we have signed 172 outlets, and we going to book 500 another more outlets also. We have international presence in 21. Already we have signed in Qatar, France, and Sri Lanka also. And our 21 plan is to 1 crore happy customers, 2,500 happy employees. These are our 2021 plan. So next slide, Palani. So strength of 5K Car Care. So we provide manpower. In case who all want to start a business, generally entrepreneur will face a problem in taking recruitment. We provide trained manpower along with a separate sales team, separate technical team, and technical training. We have a hands-on experience. As I said, we have 8 years experience. So what we can do, we can give a good technical training. We understand about the customer mindset and what are all the industry requirement. Those experience we have with hands-on experience. Our team experts, like 100 people, last 8 years they are working with this brand. So they know what is the strategy we need. So we have a strong core team for marketing also. And we provide free pickup and drop to the customers like Swiggy and Zomato. Right now, why they have grown like anything? Because of the delivery point they giving to the customer. Same thing we are doing to our customers with our 5K app. We have a separate app. In that, customer can book the service. We provide free pickup and drop from the work wherever they are doing business, or if they're working in IT. If they book service in the online, we provide free pickup drop and online payment facility, so that they can affordable our service in their sitting place itself. That is the reason 5K Car Care is growing like very rapidly. And also we provide waterless wash. The cities like Karnataka and Mumbai, the people face a very problem for the water. There we providing waterless wash technology also. Wherever we have a water, we doing water wash there. We providing water wash as well as complete car detailing kits like ceramic coating, Teflon coating, as well as paint solution, alteration solution. Everything we provide to the customer. And also our major strength is we work on Sundays. People nowadays will be have a leave on Saturday and Sunday, but other detailing industries will not work on Sundays. But we 5K Car Care will work on Sundays, because our people will be stayed inside our shop. Like in case who are all taking franchise, we provide manpower. They will stay inside the inside our office itself. So they will work Sundays. So customer will have a huge advantage on our Sunday working. And we provide training, development, and our company's 9-year-old brand and society development. We are focusing through manpower, that means employment, as well as tree plantation, CSR activity. and also we are providing entertainment video. We are signed with Behind Woods, Black Sheep. Those are all the people are our official car care media partner. We are taking care of entertainment along with our service also and sales competition. That means we have a 50 branch right now. For them, we will have a regular sales competition for particular product and particular service. Who will be the good champion? Who will be the good customer handling? Those kind of continuous support we providing to the franchisee. This will give a good learning, because in case if I'm lagging in a particular product, they can learn from the victory person, and they can adapt in that particular society. So future projects, we are going to take a 5K franchisee, so we should know how 5K will be in a future. So 5K going to give a electrical charging point across South India. Next in 2030, as per Narendra Modi Prime Minister talk, in 2030 there will be a only electrical EV vehicle will be in a running condition. At the time, there is no petrol bunk and fuel bunk in 2030. We 5K Car Care signed with government for providing electrical charging for all the cars. Who are all purchasing car in their home, they can do 14-hour charge, but in 5K Car Care, they can do it in 5 minutes. With government subsidiary, we going to give it to the customer. And we in 2021 April, we going to do electrical conversion in the market. Like who are all running a petrol and diesel vehicle, 5K Car Care going to give a electrical conversion for those existing car also. This will be a huge market penetration we will get in 2021. Already we are giving a good market penetration in 21 also. This is the project we have signed with the government also. And we going to give a vehicle resale value identification. Who are all going to sell their car, we going to give a estimation that car has been got accident and car history, those kind of report, online report, we going to generate and give it to the customer who are all buying new car. So this will give a good market promotion to 5K Car Care. And in 2020 we plan to presence in stock exchange market also. And in 21 we planning to have another brand ambassador like Dhoni. Already we have in a talk, so that we will get a good brand presence also. And entertainment commercial like web series, 5K Car Care going to give it in the market. Already that has been initiated in Tamil Nadu. It is running very well. In other state also, we going to copycat the same model in the other state also. And another great solution is that we going to coming up with the painting technology delivery in 60 minutes. Now I have already great experience with Asian PPG. I worked with Asian PPG before this start this business. So with the technology, generally if we want to take a painting business, painting service from the showroom, minimum 1 week time they will take. But 5K going to give a 60 minutes painting delivery in 2021. That will be a great market capture technology also. So these are all the CSR activity. We are not only focusing on entrepreneur development, but also we focus on society development also. In 2021, we planted 1,000 trees, and this year we planted 1,000 trees. Next year, 5,000 trees we going to plant, because we believe that society development will be the 5K development. When we started to give a franchisee, many people are approached for the investor model, but we should develop new entrepreneurs. That is the reason we have separate investor model, separate franchisee model, separate own outlet model also we have. We would believe that through entrepreneurs, because entrepreneurs will be the changing point for the world. Even if tomorrow people find a corona tablet, the entrepreneur is going to give across the world. They're going to reach every corner of the world. Same way, this 5K Car Care also will be grown by many entrepreneurs in past and future also. So these are all the media partner right now. As I said, Jaya TV, News 7, Times of India, The Hindu. These are all the people behind us to support us in the all the way. Because of this gentleman, we are growing in a many way. In future, there will be a huge South Indian media player as well as international player also. We have signed already. So these are all the points, key points, and we have FOCO model and FOFO model. In FOCO model company, we operate our own self, and we will provide you the we provide you the profit. In another way, if you want to run a business by on your own, you can run with our manpower, with our training. You can take our all experience and you can grow in your city. Simply, if I say I have 8 years experience with our 5K brand, that brand is proving in many cities. You have to take this brand and you should put it in your city, and you have to give a service to your customer, and you can earn money, you can earn good name in that particular society. This is all about 5K car care. If you have any doubts about 5K, you can ask. I'm ready to share my answer also.
Yeah, thanks, Karthik. So that tells us quite a much about the opportunity. So couple of things in between. So you say that it's a FOCO model also that you promote. So in what areas? In these 4 states, across 4 states, you can do that, wherein you would manage the outlet and a franchisee would invest in it?
Yes, ma'am. We have a clear system in place. We have a separate correct billing software as well as app billing software. Everything already we have tested and proven in market for the last 9 years. Wherever in the event that is in Hyderabad or in Karnataka, wherever if they anyone want to start in FOCO model, we have system and we will run it.
Okay, okay, that's interesting. So, will there be any difference in terms of commercial? I'm sure there would be some, in case a franchisee operates the outlet or you operate the outlet. So, what would be that difference?
In terms of customer point, there is no difference, but in terms of investor point, there is a difference. If they want to run, in case if they're taking more risk, if the person is running a franchisee, he invested his time in the business, so that profit margin will be high. Like if they want, only they have to pay a royalty fee to us. But in case if they want to run by brand, we will provide 15 to 20 percentage on turnover to the investor.
You mean to say turnover, not profits?
Yeah, yeah, ma'am. In case they can, we will not give a profit percentage. We are giving turnover percentage in order to improve the happiness of the investor, because they don't want to bother about profit or loss. Because since this model has been proven by us, so directly we know how to run a business. So with that confidence, we giving turnover percentage. Other companies are giving profit percentage because of their confidence level, but our confidence level about our brand is high, and we already proven for the last 9 years. So we giving turnover percentage to our investors.
Okay. And there's one question that has just popped up, that what is the royalty that you charge from your franchisees?
Okay.
And is that on a monthly basis or is that on a quarterly basis?
It is monthly basis, madam. It is monthly basis.
So what is the percentage of royalty that you
ma'am, we are not charging on percentage. We are charging as a fixed amount, like 10,000 to 20,000. It is depends on the city. For that, we providing digital marketing support, customer care support, as well as training support also.
Okay. There's another interesting question that has come up, which I also wanted to understand from you, that, you've just elaborated onto 4 formats, where you can open up the car care. So I completely understand that, when you look at opening up it in as an individual store or in the mall, in the residential areas, as well as on the petrol pumps, it makes a lot of sense because people who are coming there has time and can get the service done in between. But does the investment varies depending upon these areas? One. Second, do you help them select real estate on the basis of locations in these 4 states to franchisees?
Yes, ma'am. Good, nice question, ma'am. Ma'am, as you said, we have a 4 model, separate model we have. In that, if models, like if they select mall or if they select apartment, investment will get vary. Because in mall, already they have a setup. If we put individual store, investment will be differ. In case if people staying 300 apartment, if we choose any 300 apartment place for our own business, investment will be very, very less.
Okay.
And also we help them to choose the land also for individual stores. Like, in case if they want to start any individual place, or if they want to start any mall business model, we will help them to choose the place. We have separate survey team to choose the land also.
Okay, so is that a possibility that you kind of negotiate with all the real estate developers or particularly mall developers to help franchisees to locate locations?
Yes, ma'am. We already have a separate set of team to support us. And also we have a good link with Magic Bricks. So they will support in the all the way to find a land and to negotiate in terms of advance, in terms of rent, in terms of facility. For everything, we have a team and we have a separate supporter also. They will support in the all the way. So about this business, people don't have time, especially if they while they watch movie, they have to do car service. That is the reason we are growing in mall like anything. And in apartment, why we are growing? Because in while night they stay while they stay or while they in a holiday, their car should get clean and that should get polished. So people need those kind of service in the apartment, especially cities like Bangalore, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Chennai. So there also people, many direct real estate people are approaching us to setting up our own brand there. So if people are interested, we can guide them.
Okay, that's interesting. Another thing is that the area that you've specified from 800 to 4,000 square feet actually varies a lot. So are there different formats, particularly in the real estate as a standalone center or the outlet? How does it differ? And do you offer car detailing in every outlet, because that requires a separate expertise? So how do you do that? How do you categorize those outlets?
Super, ma'am. Ma'am, actually, as you asked, the land requirement from 800 to 4,000. In case if we are presenting inside the mall, we need only 400 square feet will be the sufficient, because we have parking area there. So in every center, we will provide complete detailing service. We will not avoid this service to particular place or like anything. In this, why we have given from 800, in some places like any apartment, they provide 800 square feet, but they will have a parking area. In case if we putting separate individual store, we need parking area. We need we need parking area, we need customer lounge. But in mall or in apartment, we don't need any customer lounge, any admin room, because people will not stand there. In mall, they will come and park the car, give the car, they will go for the film or they will go for the purchase. So at the time, we don't want to keep any customer lounge. That is the reason the area will be get differ. In case if we are taking any individual store, we need to keep separate customer lounge, a separate admin room, a separate parking bay for the car, and sometime we are giving children play parking also inside the store in order to capture the children's mindset also. That is the reason that a place from 800 to 4,000 will get differ, but business will be the same. Like in mall, in apartment, we are getting good fixed revenue comparing to the individual store. But in some individual store, like in Tamil Nadu, we are the major player. Right now, we are the market leader in the Tamil Nadu. Nearly 80% of market share will be holded by us. So here we have learned a lot about customer mindset. Customers are nowadays, they need to drive some place and peacefully they should take some service and they to come back. There in that particular place, individual stores are promoting in a high mode.
Right. So how is, the justification in terms of profitability is provided? Because if the real estate, what we're talking about is 4,000 square feet versus 800, the profitability will vary because you would have to spend a lot more on infrastructure, its maintenance. If it's on rent, then obviously your rent will be higher. So what turnout of cars, in the sense that how many cars and how many customers you need in a day to reach to that profitability point?
Super, ma'am. In particular area, we need total 2,000 car in particular region where we setting up our own business. Per day, we looking 5 cars.
5 cars?
Yeah, 5 cars per day. So totally per month, we looking for 150 to 200 cars to achieve a profitability level. We have a AMC, like, we not only have a car wash, as I said, we have a separate ceramic coating, we have Teflon coating, interior cleaning, odor remover, those kind of extra order we have with our own brand. So when customer coming for car wash, surely he will take some rat treatment or some vision improver treatment or sun film seat cover accessories. So customer, if customer, I'll say one calculation to you. If you can write down in your note also. If per day, if we receiving 5 cars, in that we taking 1 AMC, that means annual maintenance cost. So that customer will sign with us for the AMC. That AMC cost will be 10,000. And for every car, we charge 500 minimum for the car wash. And minimum out of that 5 car, 3 car will take detailing service. So that detailing billing will be coming around 2,000. So 6,000 plus 10,000 plus 2,500 per day, minimum billing will be 15,000. So we working, as I said, we will work on 30 days. So 15,000 into 30 days, we will take a profit of turnover of 4 lakh 50,000. Our expenses will be 1.5 lakhs to 2 lakhs. So remaining 2 lakh will be the profit. If cars are more than 2,000, we can get more AMC, that means annual maintenance cost. If franchisee owner are the very good mind calculation and very good workaholic person, he can take more AMC in a first year itself. If he can able to put 400 AMC in a year, he can take out his return on investment in a first year itself. Many investors of Tamil Nadu took a total turnover, total profit in a first year itself. They will put 400, 500 AMC also. Many investors are put in with us.
Okay. There's another question that has come up. Do you provide car dry cleaning also with the washing?
I didn't get the door. I didn't get, madam. Can you say clearly?
Dry cleaning services. Do you have dry cleaning services also, or only the washing services?
Dry cleaning services also, madam. And also right now, after COVID, we giving, as I said, how we are doing hand sanitizer, like that we doing car sanitizer also with government approved certificate service we providing. Because of that, all the taxis, Ola, Uber, everybody started to use our service. And also we giving car ozone therapy. This therapy giving COVID-19 removing service certificate provided by the government. That service also getting huge uh, welcoming by the people, because you know well now COVID second wave also started to come across India. Because of that, our 5K is getting improved very fast, and we are growing very rapidly because of our R&D department. Because as per trend, we will improve our service now.
Okay. All right. And, when we talk about the investment, that also varies from 5 lakh to 50 lakh. Is there any major amount that goes into interior, or it's just the cost of equipment, which is, varying from because 5 to 50 lakhs is like a big wide range. So what does it entail? I mean, and what is the franchise fees in it?
Okay, ma'am, you know why we have to give 5 lakhs to 50 lakhs? Because many people are would like to invest on us. So for investor, they can invest from 5 lakhs to 50 lakhs. But if they want to start a own franchisee, they have to pay a brand fee. Like it depends on 5 lakhs to 8 lakhs. It depends on the city. It differs. Other equipment cost will be maximum 15 lakhs. Balance will be the setting up, advance, interior, everything put together. It will be come around 50 lakhs. If they start in apartment, it will be around 20 to 25 lakhs. If they start in malls, it will be 30 to 40 lakhs. If they starting as an individual store, it will be 40 to 50 lakhs. It is depends on the model which investor are going to select.
Okay. And the products that are available in these outlets, how does that manage? Do you do the procurement, which is centralized, and then send it across to these outlets, or these outlets buy it on their own?
We have a separate hub for the material supply, separate logistic partner we have. Once if need a material by the franchisee, they have to put a order in the app. That app will send a material requirement to the centralized hub. From there, they can take a material. That material will be evaluated by us, our own team of, as I said, R&D training department. From there, they can get a material. We have many warranty material also. That warranty will be directly taken care by the corporate HO.
Okay, so are these specific brands or you manufacture these products?
We manufacturing 80% of the product. 80% of material will be manufactured by us. Remaining 20% we are outsourced from others outside, like UK, Australia, and Delhi, Hyderabad. Those kind of vendors we are getting from outside. 80% we have own manufacturing facility with us.
Okay. And who does marketing? Do you do centralized marketing? Is there a percentage which is divided with franchisees? Who does the local marketing?
Yeah, thank you. So regional marketing will be done by the brand. Like already we are giving ad right now in Vijay TV, Sun TV, as well as those kind of mass media will be done by us. Regional local promotional should be done by the franchisee. For that, we will help them in digital marketing, and we will provide the pamphlet, and we will study the market. We will study that particular customer mindset, and we will provide the idea. But implementation will be done by the franchisee. If the model of FOCO, if that particular business is run by FOCO, brand will do the marketing activity. Franchisee we don't want to do that. But if they're taking franchisee will take care of the local market. Regional marketing will be done by us.
Okay. Okay. So, Karthik, we are actually running out of time, but quickly, I would like to ask you 4 questions. If you can ask me in a very, very specific way.
Okay.
If somebody comes to you, why should he be interested in your franchise? Why not any other franchise in car care? What is the USP for 5K Car Care?
Okay. We provide manpower and we have industry experience of 9 years, and automobile will be the next greatest investment because electrical market is coming. We are on that. So this is the right platform to invest, because we don't want to think about manpower, marketing. Already we have experience about it.
Okay. Do you have financing options for them if somebody comes to you who says that I have less money to invest? Do you have any tie-ups with banks or financial institutions?
We already have a tie-up with bank. Depends on their financial track, we will support them.
Okay. Now, say for example, if there's a situation, there are two people who come to you and you can only choose one franchisee. One has a trade experience of car care earlier. One doesn't have it. So he has a fresh mind on car care franchise business. Whom would you choose and why?
I will choose people don't have idea about the car care because we have a experience already. We will share with them, so they don't want to bother about the experience, because we will provide our complete car care idea to them. Second, why I will choose because they are fresh mind. They will have a good marketing idea. I will take their marketing idea and implement our product in that particular area, because they will not have a negative thought or second positive thought, any other thought about the car care industry. Already we have 50 franchisee owner. Nobody don't have experience about the car care. Everybody are the freshers.
Okay. And for how many years do you do the first contract with the franchisees?
5 years.
And your existing franchisees, how many of them have renewed the franchise contract? Have they been able to have that life of 5 years and more than that?
Yes, nearly 80% people have been renewed. And another good news is all the people took second franchisee also. People will have a fourth, fifth. One franchisee owner have a 12 outlet as of now. He signed new outlet. He signed, and one thing I have to share with you: we have not promoted our franchisee marketing activity to the field. The person who took our franchisee is all about our customers. Our customer become a franchisee owner. That franchisee owner become another franchisee.
That's an interesting take. Okay, that's good. So, is there anything you've been dealing in with partners for about 6 years now or 7 years now, because it's been about 8 years that you've started the brand. What is that one thing that you've learned about maintaining a relationship with franchisees?
Yes. Okay, can you come again, ma'am? Can you come again, please?
Sure. What is the thing that you've learned as to, because you're managing so many franchisees, you're in a relationship with them. What is one thing that you swear by and you say that come what may, this thing will not change? I've learned it hard way and this will not change for my franchisees.
Okay. Many things I have learned from them. Daily I am learning from them. But great thing I have learned from them is nobody not working for money. They're working for the passion. When they have a good passion, then when they have a good aim in the life, when we match their aim with our brand and branch, they will grow together and they will become a good friend of our brand, and they will promote. That is what I learned from them. We should not dominate them and we should not guide them. Let them, we should give a chance for their thought also. When we give a chance to them, they will understand about our experience, and after that they start follow us. We should not dictate them. we should have a good, lovable relationship with them. We should not dictate. We should say everything in the mode of love. So automatically they will start to love our brand, and they will grow. We will grow, and society will grow. This is what I learned from them.
Okay, that's wonderful. Thank you so much, Karthik, for your time. And I think you've elaborated pretty much everything on, the franchise aspects of it. So I think our listeners would get everything. In case still, to all the visitors, if you want anything, please do write to us. On the screen, you would see certain links that you can follow us on. And in the end, I would just like to say one thing, that always make an informed decision. In case you're interested in taking up any franchise opportunity, please make sure that you discuss every aspect with the franchisor, see it according to what attributes do you possess, and then plunge into it. Because once you're into it, then it becomes your business with, of course, the support of the principal company. Thank you so much to give your time to us to listen to it, and we'll see you next time with a new opportunity. Thank you, Karthik, for your time. It was lovely talking to you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for the great opportunity, and thank you, listeners, for all listen. If you want any details, you can see us in any online platform also, in the name of 5K Car Care. Thank you so much, Franchisee India. You're doing a wonderful job to many entrepreneurs and youngsters. Keep grow. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, Karthik.